Blink voice. Let's discuss auto attendants. Auto attendants are an interactive voice recording that allows callers to make selections in order to route their call to their destination. The most common use case for an auto attendant is having the main company phone number pointed to an auto attendant, so when the caller is calling into the business, they can be routed to the party they are trying to reach by listening to the menu prompt options or dialing the user's extension directly. Clicking the auto attendants icon on the top of the manager portal navigation options will take you to the auto attendant center. Here you can edit existing auto attendants, delete them, and create new ones. To add an auto attendant, click the Add Attendant button in the top right. Give the auto attendant a name and an extension, and note the extension cannot be changed once the auto attendant has been created. Then, select a time frame for the auto attendant to be in effect. Once the auto attendant has been created, click the intro greeting to record the first message callers will hear. The dial pad menu option is where you can configure digits that will correlate with specific treatments or applications. When you select a digit, you will see the application you could choose from. User will allow you to forward the call to an extension on the system. It will also give you the option to add a prefix to the caller ID, so the user receiving the call will know it's being forwarded from the auto attendant. Conference will forward the call to a conference bridge you select. Call queues will allow the caller to be forwarded to a call queue. It will also allow you to have the system announce the number of callers in the queue ahead of the new caller, or announce the average expected wait time. It also allows for a caller ID prefix to be added, so the agent in the queue knows the call is being routed from the auto attendant. Directory sends the call to the company directory. Voicemails will forward the call to the voicemail box entered. Voicemail management allows the users on the system to enter their extension number and PIN. Then they are able to check their messages and manage their voicemail accounts. External numbers will forward the call to another telephone number. Claim message allows you to record a message that will be played to the caller when selecting the option. Then you can decide how to route the call after the message has been played. Add tier will allow you to add another dial pad menu to the auto attendant. Once another tier has been added, you will see the same option except for add tier, as you cannot add another tier to a tier. The option for previous menus appears, so the caller can be routed back to the original auto attendant level. You cannot add a tier to the 0 or star key. Repeat prompts will replay the menu prompt message. The gear icon takes you to the options settings, which allows you to enable a call extension directly from the auto attendant if the caller knows the user's extension number. You can also configure what the auto attendant does if a caller doesn't press the correct key or doesn't press anything. In the dial pad menu options, record the menu prompt. Provide the menu prompt with a description. You can upload a menu prompt from an audio file on your desktop, or you can have the system call you at an extension or phone number to record one. Once a menu prompt has been added, manager options will appear. You can play the menu prompt, edit the menu prompt, or download the menu prompt. Blink voice.